how to reset your Gmail password. So in order to do that, you need to go ahead, launch any of your web browser, go to gmail.com, log into your account, then tap on your profile picture icon in the top right corner of your screen, and then tap on Manage Your Google Account. From this page, tap on Security and Sign In from the left-hand side of the screen, that is between Personal Info and Google Password. Now scroll down and tap on the Password option, which is below the passkeys and security keys. Before you try resetting your password, you need to confirm that it's really your account. Once you've gone through the verification, a password section will appear where you can go ahead and enter a new password in this box, followed by the same password to confirm, and then tap on Change Password, which is highlighted in blue color, and you'll be done. But in the case, if you do not remember your password and you want to reset it, you need to tap on Forgot Your Password, and a verification code will be sent to your recovery email or phone number that is associated with your Gmail account, and you'll be able to reset your password. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.